Here's Shuttle Art's 103-pack drawing set. First off, we do get a sketch pad, but that's not all that's in here. There's more behind this sketch pad too. Look at that, we got a watercolor pad right here. In the sketch pad, you get 16 sheets of 8x10 100 GSM fine-tooth surface paper. And here's our look at that right there, nice and smooth. We'll get some drawings on this later just to see how it works with the pencils. And for the watercolor, you also get 16 sheets of 8x10 190 GSM. This is a natural white paper, ultra smooth. Maybe you can see there's a little texture to it. We also get a coloring book here. Let's check that out real quick. Lots of stuff you can color in here. Really intricate designs that you can work with. Some of them are full page designs and others give you lots of white space. And you can see you get lots of coloring options here. And at the front of the coloring book, you get 2 color test pages as well. And now check out all these colored pencils and other pencils and accessories you get. We get 2 paintbrushes here. One of them has a bit of a wider tip and one of them has a bit of a finer tip here. And they're both the same length. You get 24 watercolor pencils here in a range of different colors, and these are really cool because you can color with them and then you can use a wet brush to spread the color around to give it a watercolor effect. Very interesting and awesome to work with. We also get 24 oil-based colored pencils over here, very good for drawing and coloring. And there's also one of these pencil holders right here for when they get a little short. And so here's a look at how the color pencils look on this coloring book paper and how easy they are to color with as well. Lots of precision, lots of nice color to it. From this blue one over, you see the 12 metallic colored pencils that we get here. Also great for drawing and coloring, but with different style. And now down on these parts, you can see I'm using the metallic pencils here. They give a little bit shinier feel to the coloring. And over here we have 12 graphite pencils ranging from 8B to 5H. And for those colored pencils, you actually get this water pen brush right here. You can just open that up, get some water into it, and use it very easily. We also get 12 charcoal pencils over here. Those are unsharpened, but you can sharpen those up because we do get sharpeners. As you can see, there's 2 different sizes in that one there. And we get another sharpener right here as well that has just one size to it. We also get this rubber eraser right here that has the Shuttle Art insignia on it. And don't forget about this kneaded eraser right here. It helps us blend over charcoals and graphite. We also get a sandpaper pencil pointer here so you can grind down your pencils to the exact angle that you want them to. And check out these 1, 2, 3 paper blending stumps here, all of different sizes as you can see clearly. And lastly, we get these 2 clips right here. You just open them up and spread like that, and then you can pinch like this to use them as a clip. So there you go, there's everything that you get with this set. Really solid, high quality materials all around. And all of that fits inside this very handy case. You can pull out this little handle right here and then zip it up and carry it away.